Hey everyone! Today, we're taking a close look at Samsung's newest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung is known for packing its Ultra series with the best features available, and this year is no exception. This phone is all about pushing the boundaries, so let's see what it brings to the table. Starting with design, the S25 Ultra feels premium right out of the box. It's sleek, modern, and surprisingly lighter and slimmer than the previous generation, despite being a big phone. The glass and metal build, reinforced with Gorilla Glass Victus 3, gives it a solid feel, while being durable and scratch-resistant. And those color options? Phantom Black is timeless, but the cream white and emerald green add a fresh, stylish touch. The display is simply one of the best you'll see on any smartphone. It's a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a super smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. The resolution is incredibly sharp, and the colors are vibrant and punchy. Plus, with a peak brightness of 2,500 nits, it's easy to see even in bright sunlight. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling, the visuals are flawless and immersive. Performance on the S25 Ultra is top-notch, thanks to the latest Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, depending on your region. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, it's fast, fluid, and reliable. Samsung has also optimized the software with advanced AI, so the phone runs efficiently without draining the battery too quickly. The cameras are where this phone truly stands out. The 200-megapixel main sensor captures stunning detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. The ultra-wide lens is great for capturing expansive scenes, and the telephoto lenses allow up to 10x optical zoom and 100x space zoom. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or zooming in on distant subjects, the results are impressive. Night photography has also been improved with Samsung's enhanced Nightography mode, which delivers clear, bright shots even in very low light. And for video lovers, the phone can record in 8K at 30fps with excellent stabilization. Battery life is another big plus. The S25 Ultra comes with a 5,500 mAh battery, which lasts all day with heavy use. And when it's time to charge, you've got 65W fast charging that gets you back up and running quickly. There's also 25W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, so you can top up your earbuds or smartwatch on the go. Samsung didn't forget the extras either.